Hi friends, welcome all. In this video, we are dealing with a question relating with harmonic functions and analytic functions. And the question is given by: verify the function u of xy equal to x cube minus 3xy square minus 5y is harmonic in the entire complex plane. That means we are given a function which is given by x cube minus 3xy square minus 5y. We have to verify that is the function harmonic in the entire complex plane. Harmonic means the function must satisfy the Laplace equation. If the given function is harmonic in the entire complex plane, we can find another function such that u plus iv, another function v such that the function u plus iv is analytic. Such functions we are called the harmonic conjugate of u. Therefore, if the first condition is verified and the second question is to find the harmonic conjugate of u. So in order to find the given function is harmonic or not, we have to check whether the given function satisfies the Laplace equation. Therefore, first of all, we can find the derivative of u with respect to x and the derivative of u with respect to y. The Laplace equation is given by u xx plus u yy equal to 0. Therefore, in order to check the given function u satisfies the Laplace equation, we have to evaluate the second order partial derivative of u with respect to x and the second order partial derivative of u with respect to y. Therefore, we can first evaluate the second order partial derivative of u with respect to x. First of all, we are evaluating ux. Ux equal to, when we partial differentiating with respect to x, the derivative of x cube is 3x square minus, here y square is constant, we are taking the derivative with respect to x, therefore 3y square is constant and the derivative of x is 1, therefore 3x square minus 3y square. Again we derivating with respect to x, the derivative of 3x square is 6x and we are taking the derivative with respect to x, therefore the y square is constant, the derivative of 3y square is 0, therefore uxx is given by 6x. Now we have to evaluate uy. Uy is given by, if we are taking the derivative with respect to y, the derivative of x cube is 0 and minus 3xy square. It is given by minus 6xy. We are taking the derivative with respect to y, therefore minus 3x is a constant and the derivative of y square is 2y, therefore minus 3x into 2y is given by minus 6xy minus the derivative of 5y is 5. Now again we differentiating with respect to y, the derivative of minus of 6xy is minus 6x and the derivative of 5 is 0, therefore uyy equal to minus 6. Therefore uxx plus uyy equal to 6x minus 6x, which is equal to 0. Hence the given function u satisfies the Laplace equation, therefore u is harmonic in the entire complex plane. Therefore, the first part is over. We have verified that the given function u is harmonic in the entire complex plane. If a function is entire in the complex plane, harmonic entire in the complex plane, we can find the harmonic conjugate of u. Now our aim is to find the harmonic conjugate of u. In order to find the harmonic conjugate of u, we have uploaded the theory part of harmonic conjugate of u, harmonic conjugate of a function earlier, and we have added the link of that video in our description box. Now we can find the harmonic conjugate of this function u. We are finding the harmonic conjugate such that u plus iv is analytic. As analytic, the function v must satisfy the Cauchy-Riemann equation. The Cauchy-Riemann equation is given by dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y and dou u by dou y equal to minus of dou v by dou x. These are our Cauchy-Riemann equations. We have evaluated ux, the derivative of the partial derivative of u with respect to x. As the given function v, we have to find a function v such that u plus iv is analytic. As the given function u plus iv is analytic, the function v must satisfy the Cauchy-Riemann equation. Therefore, dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y. Dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y. This will imply dou v by dou y equal to dou u by dou x, and dou u by dou x is given by 3x square minus 3y square. Now we integrate the partial derivative of v with respect to y. We will get the function v of xy. If we are integrating with respect to y, 3x square is constant. The derivative of 3x square will be 3x square y minus, integrating with respect to y, the integral of y square is y cube by 3. Therefore, 3 into y cube by 3, 3 and 3 can be cancelled each other. Therefore, the resultant integral will be y cube plus a constant function. If in this case we are integrating with respect to y, therefore the constant may be contained in the terms of x. Therefore, the integrating constant is a function of x. There are the terms containing x. Therefore, v of xy is given by 3x square y minus y cube plus h of x. We have to find v of xy. To complete the answer, we have to evaluate the given function h of x. To evaluate h of x, we will differentiate v with respect to x. Then by Cauchy-Riemann equation, we can equate that with respect to uy, and uy is given by, uy can be formed by from u. Therefore, if we differentiate with respect to dou v by dou y is given by 3x cube y square. Therefore, we have v of x comma y equal to 3x square y minus y cube plus h of x. When differentiating with respect to x, we will get vx, and the vx is given by 3x square y minus y cube plus h of x. The derivative of 3x square y is 6xy minus the derivative of y cube is 0, since we are differentiating with respect to x, and the derivative of h is h dash of x. Now by Cauchy-Riemann equation, this will equal to minus of dou u by dou y, and uy is given by, uy is equal to minus of 6xy minus 5. Therefore, this equal to minus of minus 6xy minus 5, that is equal to minus into minus will become positive 6xy plus 5. 6xy plus h dash of x is equal to 6xy plus 5. We can cancel 6xy on both sides. Then we will get h dash of x is equal to 5. This will implies h of x is equal to 5x plus c. Since here h is a function of x only, we are integrating with respect to x, then we will get the integral of 5 is 5x and a constant number that is represented by some c. Therefore, v of xy can be replaced by 3x square y minus y cube plus h of x is given by 5x plus c. This is our harmonic conjugate of the given function u. We are given the function u is given by x cube minus 3x y square minus 5y, and we evaluated the harmonic conjugate of u. It is given by 3x square y minus y cube plus 5x plus c. Since v is the harmonic conjugate of u, we have the function f given by u plus iv, where u is the given function x cube minus 3x square y minus 5y, and v is the our formulated harmonic conjugate of u given by 3x square y minus y cube plus 5x plus c is analytic in the entire complex plane, since v is the harmonic conjugate of u. Hence the question is over. We are verified u is harmonic, and as u is harmonic in the entire complex plane, we can evaluate the harmonic conjugate of u. It is given by 3x square y minus y cube plus 5x plus c. Okay, we can wind up this video. We can meet in another video with another section. Okay, thank you.